Okay, I think I've narrowed it down to a faulty pin on the onboard communication chip.
Very impressive. You know, when you're done with that, can you look at this? It doesn't make smoke anymore.
One toy at a time.
Sorry. Yeah, maybe it's for the best. I hear locomotive smoke is the second leading cause of death among train aficionados.
What's the first one?
Suicide.
Wrong. Obesity.
I had the tool you wanted.
Thank you.
You guys don't have to go to the trouble. I'm back in the money now. I can just buy another helicopter.
It's not about the money. It's about solving a problem. That's why I became an engineer. It's what I like to do. It's what I'm trained to do. It's who I am.
Yeah, look at you, a little engineer that could.
Why don't you just call tech support?
Hey.
Why?
There's two kinds of people in this world. Those who call tech support and those who make fun of the people who call tech support.
I call tech support all the time.
You got it. All right, the power supply is reconnected. I think we're back in business. Let's just run a few tests before we take it outside. Sheldon, we got Wi-Fi.
Check.
GPS.
Check.
Battery charged.
Check.
4 hours of our lives gone? Check.
All right, all systems go. In 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. That's what my train used to do.
Ready to call tech support?
Give me the number. Probably wind up talking to some foreign guy who's reading from the same manual I have.
It's my father, you jerks. Hello, Daddy.
What did you say to your mother?
Nothing. I was just calling to check in, make sure she's doing okay.
Well, after talking to you, she seems to think I'm some sort of playboy.
Really? I don't know where she'd get an idea like that. You know, Mummy and her crazy imagination. I'm so lucky I take after you.
You think you take after me?
Well, I try to. I certainly wouldn't be a scientist if you hadn't been my role model. Who wants to go to Vegas in a real helicopter?